Welcome, in this video I will show you how to enable crouch assist in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, open settings in main menu by pressing the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select keyboard and mouse menu on the list. And in this menu select movement tab at the top. And here you'll find the crouch assist as the third option in this menu. To enable it, you have to switch the toggle to the right, and this change will make you crouch or slide when you're sprinting towards a valid opening. If you select show more, you can also enable crouch assist tactical sprint, so it will, when it's on, it will only activate when tactical sprinting towards a valid opening, and switching this option to the left will activate when the crouch assist when walking or sprinting forward towards a valid opening. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.